Guava tree.
See, look here.
Guava
Someone
tree.
has brought guava tree also. These are fruits. Fruit trees, okay? And look, mango tree is also here. Look here. Someone has brought mango tree also.
Listen. Today is Nation Conservation Day, right? Yes. Okay. So today we will plantation. Okay. Say yes, ma'am. Today we will plantation, right? Okay. So first of all, you take trowel. After that, dig the soil. Dig the soil. Like that. Like this. Like this. Very nice. और करो. Dig the soil very nicely. And like this. Yes. Like this. Very nice. After that, we will take plant. Take this one. Take this one like this and dig the plant. Plant it properly. दोनों हाथ से बेटा. Do it. Do it. Very good. आदर्श हेल्प करो बेटा. हेल्प करो तो. अनन्या की हेल्प करो. Very nice. This water in the plant. Nice. Like this. And more some water. Yes. So it's done plantation. Okay.
What day we are celebrating today, children?
Nature Conservation Day.
When is it celebrated?
28 July.
Celebrated?
28 July every year.
Okay, Adhyan. What does nature conservation means?
Protecting nature.
Yes, very good. Conservation of nature means protecting our natural environment from destruction or damage. Okay? Now we have dig the soil. Come on, dig the soil. Yes, very good. Remove the soil from there. Remove the soil. Yes, remove it from hand. From hand you remove it. हाथ से निकालो. Now take this plant. Take this plant. Yes. Put the soil. Plant it properly.
From hands.
From
बेटा.
hand. हाथ से. From hand. With your hand. Do it with your hand. Yes. Plant it. Very good. Very good. Yes. 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 We have planted. Which tree is this? Mango tree.
Mango tree.
Yes, this is a mango tree. Very good, very good. Sprinkle the water on the plant. Yes. Come on, put it properly. Yes, take it more. Yes, very good, very good. Now you have planted a mango tree.